Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by bringing the bus into the depot wash bay and stopping at the alignment marker. This guarantees the cleaning animation and tools load. Once parked, open the vehicle menu and pick cleaning. Choose exterior or full wash depending on grime level. Make sure you have cash or in-game supplies, water, soap, and detergent. You do this now because the game enforces location-based cleaning. Starting immediately saves downtime and prevents mission delays while you prepare supplies for the next step. You proceed with the exterior wash using the pressure tool. Apply soap, work across panels, then rinse thoroughly to avoid streaks. This order prevents residue. Once the shell is done, move to interior mode. Remove trash items, use the cloth tool on seats and the dashboard, and clean windows last to eliminate smears. Make sure to apply wax or polish if available, because it adds a cleanliness percentage and reduces how often you must repeat the process, keeping passenger satisfaction higher between trips. You finish by doing a close inspection. Walk around the bus, check the cleanliness meter, and look for streaks under different light to catch missed spots. Once satisfied, exit the cleaning menu and confirm any upkeep charges. This updates your bus status and applies bonuses. If the cleaning action fails or the tools freeze, reload the last checkpoint or drive the bus slightly and retry the wash. Also make sure no mods conflict. Because most glitches come from third-party content, this single troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.